Hi guys, and welcome back to Stranger Times. I thought I'd start this video off with an article that I found in one of the UK newspapers, and it reads as follows: Mystery as dead birds fall in their hundreds. So I'm sure that some of you guys will have seen on different news outlets and things like that about flocks of birds that just mysteriously drop down from the skies dead, almost as though they've hit some sort of invisible structure up in the sky. So this article was dated on Friday the 12th of February this year. Basically, it goes on to say that in Wales, a flock of birds were found dead on the side of the road, or in the middle of the road actually, and on the grass verges, but not in the fields either side of the road. A group of people also saw some of the birds actually fall from the sky at the time, and they also heard a loud bang, and also some other witnesses saw a flash of light as well before these birds dropped out of the sky. All the witnesses said that it was like an apocalyptic horror scene from a movie, watching these birds fall, already dead as well. So they died up in the sky whilst flying, and just dropped. So police investigation is underway, and the police are said to be taking this very, very seriously, also with a very, very open mind. So one of the witnesses describes being outside around about 11:30 on on Thursday evening, and recalls seeing a bright flash with a bang as well, and then the birds just fell from the sky onto the road. The person was extremely scared and thought something extremely spooky or apocalyptic was going to happen. But it's not the first case like this. These cases are not rare, they are quite common. And in Wales just alone, going back through to 2018, so 2018, again there was another article relating to around about 200 to 300 birds that had dropped out of the sky. 2019 also, 2021 and 2022. Now, one of the articles back in 2019 goes on to say that thousands of birds dropped out of the sky in that year, and it's getting a bit bizarre, to be honest. Now, some of the local residents between the two villages, the village of Waterstone and Hazel Beach. Now, most of the local residents believe that whatever happened to these birds is man-made, was a man-made occurrence, if you like. There is a lot of nuclear power plants and energy plants around this area as well. I think there's about 5 or 6 different factories, if you like. So a lot of residents believe that pollution or the birds were poisoned or something like that. But also a lot of people believe that it's something to do with UFOs as well. So it could be some sort of secret, invisible military craft that these birds have just flown into. But yes, guys, it's not just Wales and the UK, it's across the whole world that these encounters happen with these birds. And it always seems that the birds just fly into something and as though they're hitting a wall, an invisible wall, and just falling out of the sky dead. So yes, guys, extremely intriguing. I do find this type of encounter quite mysterious, and with no possible outcome really. Nobody actually knows why these birds are falling out of the skies. Some people do believe that it's migratory birds that come over here and freeze to death because of the cold climates. I don't believe that one bit. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments to this actual topic. So yeah, alright guys, let's move on to the next one. Daytime UFO caught on camera phone. Guys, this footage is epically amazing. It's some of the best footage that I've seen. I'm going to let it play. It's quite a long clip. It's around about 4 minutes long, but it is worth watching the full clip, and then we'll have a little chat about it afterwards. Okay, thanks guys. So guys, you've seen this amazing footage. Now I don't even think that the guys that posted this on the social media website even knew that there were other UFO objects in the sky at the time as well. Obviously you can't see them unless you zoom in and unless you have a quick eye, but these other UFO objects are obviously there because we've spotted them out, we've caught them, yeah? So this footage for me is absolutely amazing. It clearly shows many different UFOs all flying about at the same time around the central object that the guy is recording. And again, it reminds me very much of the UFO footage that the channel's friend Michael Brissett forwarded to us to have a look and analyse, and the same things were happening with the footage that he caught. So the UFO that was in question, all around it and flying round about it all over the sky, were other similar UFO type craft, vehicles, orbs, whatever you want to call them. So guys, this is the end of this video. This footage for me is solid proof that, you know, these UFO things, whether or not they're extraterrestrial or earthbound, are here. Yeah, so, you know, there's no denying it that these UFOs are here. Anyway guys, leave me your thoughts, theories, and if you have any questions, put them in the comments. And yeah, thanks very much guys, we'll see you soon. Take care, cheers.